Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to hide text in Adobe Acrobat. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe Acrobat, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left, we have recent files, start files, Adobe Cloud Storage, agreements, and lastly, other file storage. You can add a file storage from here. Here in recent, you're going to find recommended tools for you. You can also see all of the tools from here. And if you want to search for a tool, just go to the top here in the search bar, click on it, and then you can search for any tool that you want. Right here under work with the PDF now, you're going to find open file. If you click on it, you can choose any PDF from your computer to work with. Right here, for example, I'm going to choose this PDF, and here in the right, you're going to find options like share, request a signature, edit a PDF, export a PDF, organize pages, add comments, and fill and cite. So I'm going to click on edit a PDF, and right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit your PDF. So for example, I'm going to change the page to this one. And if you want to remove the text, just click right here and then click on delete on your keyboard. And as you can see, guys, I removed the text. You can also from here find all of the settings related to your text. You can edit it. You can make it italic, make it bold. You can add an underline. You can change the font and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.